In an era where technology is so prevalent in our lives, we often don't think to take a moment and step back and unplug. We don't always fully experience what's around us.
It reminds me of my childhood. It's like eating 1,000 Pop Rocks in your mouth and everything's just like pow, pow, pow.
Many writers, such as Jean-Jacques Rousseau, spent time in solitude. He took this time to write and to reflect on his life. For Rousseau, his time spent at L'Île Saint-Pierre was some of the happiest times he spent. He was alone there. While in the Valais, I tried to do the same as Rousseau. I tried to approach nature with the goal of self-reflection. I spent my time writing and thinking and writing some more. It was a much-needed break from my daily life. And it made me wonder.
I mean, it's hard just because everybody likes this idea of nature and natural landscapes, but at the same time, are we willing to give up our urban lifestyles?
Drancy.
So after visiting the Swiss cities of Lausanne and Geneva, I was able to better see the contrast between urban and rural life. Both cities offered a new perspective, but rather than admiring and reflecting on the natural landscapes, the urban environments emphasized the social landscape. This meant that I wasn't able to solely focus on myself. The streets of Geneva were crowded, as were the metros and trams. With public transportation, mobility was underlined by speed and efficiency. I was no longer walking in the woods, just taking a break. I was moving because I needed to be somewhere. Both city and nature were sensory experiences, but the cities were missing the authentic quality that is inherent to nature. I didn't feel as compelled to journal in a lonely hotel room as I did while I was on top of a mountain. At the end of the 5 days spent in Lausanne and Geneva, I was eager to return to a more rural destination. After spending a few days in the cities, I realized that I wasn't really taking the time to reflect on anything that I've been doing. I wasn't writing in my journal as much, and I wasn't really feeling the same creativity that I had been feeling in the mountains previously.
My favorite part about nature is just being able to sit down and listen to all the noises and see everything around you and just relax.
So during the final portion of travel, we returned to a more secluded area. After streets filled with bustling tourists, we were back to nature's simplicity and silence. In nature, we are free to take walks. We are free to admire the landscapes. We think more freely as we are inspired. The mountains. Nothing can beat the snow-capped wonders. For me, these mountains are the culmination of all of nature's grandeur.
Self-reflection is the capacity of humans to exercise introspection and the willingness to learn about the fundamental nature, purpose, and essence